Almost 3 years ago, I was in Teachers College and I arrived on my first teaching placement at Eastdale Secondary School.
3 years ago, I was teaching at my old high school that I went to, Eastdale Secondary School.
On my first day, I spotted a tall, dark, and handsome man who I could not resist staring at.
On that same day, nothing eventful really comes to mind.
Every day after, I would see this teacher and I could feel myself going bright red as butterflies attacked my body.
Eventually, I would see the student teacher. I would say hi, then walk away because she turned red and just wouldn't talk.
I was smitten.
She was weird.
My supervisor teacher, Wanda Cook, who is here tonight, discovered that I had a crush on Mr. Bond. So she stopped what she was doing in the middle of class and left me alone with 30 students, which is highly not allowed.
While I was watching The Price is Right on my prep period in the staff room, Cook stormed in and said, "Guess who's single and has a crush on you?"
Cook then marched back into class and announced he knows.
Later that night, after a school event, the staff went out to Empty Bellies for a drink, and I convinced the weird glowing red-faced girl to join us.
I managed to actually formulate a few sentences that night.
We talked about our families, Lord of the Rings, Star Wars, and how we were both very musical.
We've hung out almost every day since.
And that brings us to today, after many adventures, from late-night ice cream runs and hikes with our dog Obi, to everything in between, the day that I got to marry my best friend.
I know you two are absolutely perfect for each other in every way possible. Thank you for making Jenny so happy. And a super extra bonus quality, thank you for living in Niagara. Because now Jenny lives 15 minutes away from me, and that's something I thought I would never be so lucky to have.
She's every sunset I've ever seen, out over the oceans to the hills of Tennessee. She's everything, everything to me. My heart, my soul, you are the best of me.
Neal, Jen, you're both amazing, but it's no surprise given the families you grew up in. And as you become your own family today, I just want to say all the best and looking forward to more great times. So cheers.
Cheers. You and Jen.
It has been a pleasure to see the beautiful relationship develop between Jenny and Neal over the past 3 years. It is very easy to love Jenny. She calls to tell me when Neal's soccer game is on and says she's going to bring me green tea from McDonald's and we're going to watch the soccer game. And I feel Jenny is really more of a friend than a daughter-in-law.
Overjoyed that you two are starting this new chapter in your lives together and that I'm able to celebrate with you. Here's to my cousin / best friend and her new husband. I wish this to be the first of many best days of your lives. Cheers.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet.
I met Jennifer a few years ago when Neal brought her to our farm. It did not take many more meetings for me to admire her. I think she makes up for the daughter I would have loved to have, and now I indeed have. Is Jennifer as part of our family.
This time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby,
From the moment I first laid eyes on you, I thought you were the most handsome man I'd ever seen, which is why I couldn't formulate a sentence around you for almost a month, and right now. You've since become my best friend. You've been on Jenny duty for almost 3 years and haven't run away. There is still a part of me today that can't believe I'm the one that gets to marry you. You make me feel special, loved, listened to, and valued. You make me laugh every day and still give me butterflies.
perfect tonight.
Your smile lights up a room, and your eyes light up my smile. I love you with all my heart, and I promise to always be there for you. I promise to support you and your ideas and encourage your dreams. I promise to be faithful to you and love you when things are easy, but also when they are hard.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you, experiencing the world with you, laughing with you, and making you feel as special and loved as you have always made me feel. Whatever life has in store for us, I know that we will face it as a team.
I promise to dance with you in the living room and sing to you in public. Well, I tell everyone I know her. Above all, I promise to make your life one big fun adventure. You're the love of my life. I choose you today and always to be the one by my side. And I promise to be by yours.
I promise to not spend all our money at Lululemon and to learn how to cook more than pasta and grilled cheese. I vow to be honest, caring, I vow to be honest, caring, and truthful, to love you as you are, to laugh with you in good times and struggle alongside you in bad times, and to grow old by your side as your partner in crime and best friend. I choose you, today and always, to be the one by my side, and I promise to be by yours. I love you.
I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect.
In your next years together, we hope you'll bring out the best in each other all of the time. Share your joys and burdens, smile often, laugh more. Be each other's best friend always. Respect the other whom you adore.
Keep promises with all your heart, forgive and know that your love and commitment will continue to grow. A new family with Obi, and in the future, perhaps more. You are a couple now, more than ever before. We've seen you both together, how happy you are. Today's another beginning. You're like newborn stars. Your love and happiness will twinkle and brightly shine. Congratulations and warmest wishes for happiness sublime.
Get up on the dance floor tonight. I got 2 left feet and a bottle of red wine, making me feel like the beat in the bass line are in my blood, both hands up on the waistline. Get on up, baby, dance to the rhythm of the music. Don't care what the DJ chooses. Get lost in the rhythm of me. Place don't close until we wanna leave it. You and I, we're flying on an aeroplane tonight. We're going somewhere where the sun is shining bright. Just close your eyes. that God has sent me. I want you, baby, solamente. You and I were flying on an aeroplane tonight. We're going somewhere where the sun is shining bright. Just close your eyes. Let's pretend we're dancing in the street in Barcelona. 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 Oh, Barcelona. So let's pretend we're dancing in the street in Barcelona. Las Ramblas, I'll meet you, we'll dance around La Sagrada Familia. Drinking sangria, mi niña, te amo, Macarena. Mamacita, rica, sí, te adoro, señorita. Nosotros, vive la vida, siempre viva Barcelona.
People asked me leading up today if I was nervous about this, and I couldn't have been anything further from nervous if this was the most sure decision of my life. You laugh at my jokes, you find it cute that I read comic books, you play hide and seek with me in the grocery store, and are always up for something fun. We've had a million great adventures together, and I can't wait to share a million more with you. You're the love of my life.